Morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast.SOS.com. Over the past 4 years, I have extensively covered the brutal and heartless war against nature. Each year, $400 billion is stolen from nature in live and dead animal parts. It's bigger than smuggling drugs, armament, and human trafficking combined, and it's run by organized crime, which washes the money through the international banking system. So many big game animals are in dire jeopardy. Make no mistake, we're in the midst of the 6th great extinction, and humans are driving it. Did you know that 90% of the remaining rhinos live in South Africa? 4 times more rhinos were poached in 2014 than 2010. At least 3 magnificent beasts a day are murdered in South Africa alone. Rhino horns are worth much more than gold, and these gentle creatures are trapped alive and their horns are hacked off while the animals are left to bleed to death. The horns are made up of keratin, the same compound that makes up our fingernails. My colleagues have shown that there's no medicinal value in rhino horn. Yet the insatiable demand from Southeast Asia and China are driving rhinos to extinction at breakneck speed. This is bloody wrong. And so now intrepid men are taking matters into their own hands by hunting poachers to protect the remaining animals. It's a last-ditch effort to save rhinos, elephants, tigers, and other big game critters on the edge of extinction due to greed, hubris, and lust for billions of dollars at the expense of nature and our life support systems. Damien Mander, a former Australian Special Forces sniper, is using his military tactics to curb poaching. He's the founder and CEO of the International Anti-Poaching Foundation. His philosophy is simple. You don't want to show up at a gunfight armed only with good intentions. Mander trains rangers from his experience gleaned in the Iraqi war and surviving working in downtown Baghdad. His rangers use night scopes with infrared lights and drones that can fly for 5 hours, scouring the landscape for loathsome poachers. His rangers go through grueling physical training drills every morning. Their uniforms are new and spotless. Anti-poaching is a paramilitary operation. Mander is getting results, and his demand is growing. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no room any longer to turn a blind eye to what's taking place on our planet. And so brave men like Mander and his rangers are protecting nature and rhinos by hunting despicable poachers. There's hope, because that's all we crave. Hope combined with action to save nature now. Please support the okraproject.org, because they're making Earthcast SOS possible. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.